Hey guys. All right, so we're gonna work on El Toro. I'm gonna do it section by section. So I'm gonna start with like measures 1 to 13, kind of just be working in sections, and then I kind of break it down for you, and then go back and play it with counts, without counts, and then play it with you. So we're gonna start from the beginning. Now remember, in the beginning, that first note is only to be played when we do the um, the DC al coda. You only play it the second time. That's why it says DC only. Now make sure when you're resting in the beginning, it's 3 beats per measure, and it's 4 times. So that means 3 times 4, so about 12. Okay, so you count to 3. And then remember, at the beginning you have a lift. So you got down, down. Keep it closer to the lower half of the bow. It's easier to play faster. And remember, they've got dots, so you got to shorten each note. Okay. Make sure at measure 8, you've got the hooked bow up, up. And then at 9, it's 1, 2, 3. And get silent. Okay. Then at 12, you're going to go rest. Okay. So let's go through, starting at measure 5, slowly with counts. Okay. Here we go. Place your bow at the lower half. Don't forget the lift. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay, now on your slur notes at 12, you got to make sure that you pull your bow fast. Okay, make sure you're pulling it at the right speed. Don't go accidentally too slow, because that's what happens a lot in rehearsal, and we slow down with the other moving parts. Okay, so now let's try it again from 5 without counting. Ready? Bow with the frog. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try it a little bit faster this time. Now, if you're having trouble with that, pause the video, go work on it until you can get it at the same speed that I just played it at. And then same thing before you play it faster. Okay? So you go 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to play it from the very beginning with the rest, just practicing the rest and when to come in. So make sure, if you had a hard time playing it faster, go back and do it again. Okay, so right now you're in rest position. At measure 3, pick up your instrument. Okay, so starting at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's the beginning to 13. If you need to go back and work on it, please do. All right, now at 13 to measure 21. Pretty straightforward. Quarter notes, eighth notes, dotted half notes, and some half notes. Now remember, at 15, you have 1 and 2 and 3 tied over to beats 1 and 2 in measure 16. So 15 is 1 and... Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, and then you change on the third beat of 16, like this. So make sure you're counting right and you move your bow speed at the right speed. Now 15, let's play it slowly like this. Concentrate on staying in the lower part of the bow. Do that as many times as you need to. Then try it a little bit faster. again, one more time faster. Okay? So now we're going to go through 13, counting it slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Count and play slowly. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 off. Okay? Now I'll try at that same tempo without counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1. I'm counting. I said not to count. Sorry, guys. Let's do that again. Start the lower half. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If you struggle with that, go back and work on it slowly. Pause the recording, come back, play with it as many times as you need to until you get it up to speed. Now, the key thing to remember for 15 is that it's fast, eighth notes. Ba, 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 ba. Short, quick bow stroke motion. Okay? Make sure throughout this whole piece you're subdividing 1, 2, 3, or 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay? Now at 21 to 27, we're at a softer dynamic, and we're also using spiccato for 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then it changes to more of a legato at 25, 26. Plus we have that crescendo going up into 27. Okay, so make sure at 21 it's rest, play. Sorry, let me do that again. 21. Rest, 2. Sorry, I messed up again. Rest, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3. Now, if you notice, with my hand, I'm making a short kind of gesture. You got to do the same thing with your bow. So at 21, it'd be rest, 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 rest. And you have to keep it soft. Okay, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest, rest, rest. Rest. Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. Okay? Let's try it again without the counting. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Okay, if you need to, go back and try it again if you could had our time. Now we're going to try to speed it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. Alright, go back and do that as many times as you need to. Now, from 27 to 33, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this. Make sure at 27 it's 1, 2, 3, rest, 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 rest. Unless you're playing the bottom at 30, it's. Okay, make sure you get your notes in tune. Okay, let's play 27 to. Let's see. Let's go 27 to 31. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, make sure your bow speed is not slow like this. You gotta pull your arm up faster. Okay, try it now, the bottom part. Sorry, 1, 2, at 27, 1, 2, 3. Go back and do that as many times as you need to. Now, let's work on 30 to measure 39. Okay, so we've already covered that part at 30. And then Now at 33, you got to make sure it's a short, quick bow. So 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2. This is a pattern that you saw earlier at measure 23. Same pattern, okay? So let's try it slowly once like this. So 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2. Now try a little bit faster like this. So 1 and 2 and 3, ready, set, go. Okay. Now make sure at 37 it's 1, 2, 3, 1, rest, rest, rest. Okay, so that was 37 to 40. Same thing that you've already played before. It's kind of a lot of repeating patterns. Okay, so let's try it at 33. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, rest, rest, rest. Okay. Now we're going to try it again with the lower part at 33 to 40. There we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Rest, rest, rest. Okay. Now let's go back to measure 30. This section, it's really important that you're using the right bow speed for your slurs. You're counting in your head. You're counting the right number of beats. Remember, 3 beats for a dotted half note, 2 for a half note, 1 for a quarter. Remember, quick, short bow motion for 8th notes. Okay, so let's try it at 32, 39. I'm going to play the top part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now, from 39 to 45, just make sure you're counting here. So you've got rest. 2, 3, rest. 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 So key thing is at 43 and 44 to get off the, 43 and 44 to make sure that you're not skipping that first quarter rest and you're moving your slur fast enough, pulling it up. And then at 44, you're separating it. Okay, so at 39, it's rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like this at 39, 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. Rest. Okay, let's try it a little bit faster now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 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 Now let's do it at the bottom part. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. Rest. 3, rest. Rest. Okay. Make sure you're getting the counts and the releases there. Because I noticed that a lot in rehearsals that we're not releasing our dotted half notes and we're almost starting a beat late and while playing the slur slow. So make sure it's about speed and counting. Okay, now 45 to measure 49. It's like the beginning. You just have to count. 45 is 3 beats for the dotted half note. And then 3 beats for every rest from 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay, so let's play from measure 45 to 55. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3. Okay, now it's really important at 53 and 54 and 55 that we have the right character. So 55, we have a dot on the first note, and then on the next two notes, it's long. And 54, the next three. And 55, it's that sforzando piano where we hit it and we get soft immediately. Sorry. So make sure you're watching there because I'll give you those beats. So let's try it from 49 to 55. Make sure you get the articulation. C natural at 50. Hooked bow, staccato at 52. Staccato for the first note at 53. And legato for the next 5 notes until 55. Okay, let's do it a little bit slow. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, go. Okay, if you need to do it again, and many times, go back and do it, and then come back to the video when you feel comfortable trying it at a faster pace. Okay, so now let's try the same measures at a faster pace. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you struggled, go back and keep working on it until you're comfortable playing it faster. Now, at 55, make sure you're watching if you're not playing the solo. Now, if you're playing the solo, make sure it goes, they hit the note, and then you rest, rest, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1. Okay. Now, let's try it again. 55. Rest, rest. So the key thing for the solo is to kind of start slow, gradually get faster, and then get slow again, and then die away. Okay? After that's complete, you lift your bow, and then at 56, we hit the A. And then you wait for the cello solo to complete. So that's bum 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 ba 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 ba. Then at 57, second, the green violins, the viola, the red violins, and cellos start playing off slowly like this. 1, 2, and 3, and... And after you hear that 2 times, you come in at 61. And then that's when you go to the beginning and play that single note. So hit that note and release your bow. You start to get faster when you come in at 61. Make sure you've got a lift at 61 and 63 and a C natural at 62 and 64. Okay, so let's add in the rest this time at 57. Sorry, hit my bow. And then we'll come in at 61 and go back to the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2. Oh, I'm sorry, that was so too fast. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Rest, 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 rest. Okay, and then from there, you're going to practice these same exact things that we've already gone over. The beginning all the way to measure 44. And then at 44, you're going to go to the coda. So let's practice at 49. And at 44, we're going to practice going to the coda. So make sure you know where the coda is. It should be at the bottom of your second page. So we jump from 44 all the way to 65. Okay? We've already done this section, so we're going to play through it. Here we go. 39. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. 3, rest. 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 Okay, and then from there you have rest, 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 rest. And then at 69, you're going to come in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I played the wrong thing. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and go. Lift. 2, 3, 1. Dig into each note until the end. So make sure 73 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now, that's the whole song. Make sure you can play all these sections. Work on it. And then let's do a quick run through of the whole song up to tempo. Alright? Actually, I want you to go through and work on the whole thing up to tempo. So practice at about quarter note equals 90 to 100. You set it at 90, see if you can do it at 90, and from there set it up to 100 if you can go up to 100. Practice with the metronome. I also suggest finding a recording online of this piece and playing along with it like you were playing in an orchestra. Okay? Be prepared on Tuesday. Work on it real hard because I know you can do it. Alrighty? So, remember to count, to watch, dynamics, articulations. All right? And you've got this. Totally do. Okay? I will talk to you later. Bye.